Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to co-parent on the Widgetable app. Now if you want to co-parent on the Widgetable app but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have installed the Widgetable app on a device. So if you have not installed the Widgetable app, you just need to install it from App Store or Play Store on a device. So after that, you just need to open the Widgetable app, and this is the home page of Widgetable, where you'll see various options on the bottom taskbar as well as various options at the upper taskbar. Now to co-parent a page in the Widgetable, you just need to click on the option of more at the very bottom right, and here you'll see the option of shop, pets, garden, message, events and wallpapers. So click on the option of pets at the very top of the screen, and here you just need to access your pet profile. So you just need to select the pet for which you want to invite as a co-parent. So simply tap on the pet and you just need to look for the option which is invite co-parent or similar feature. So you just need to tap on it and you just need to send an invitation to your chosen co-partner, that is through Widgetable username or the generated link. So you may simply copy the link and paste to the person you want to invite as a co-parent, and after that the invited person should receive a notification or message within the app, and they need to invite the invitation to become a co-parent. And after the invitation has been accepted, both of you can interact with the pet, including feeding, playing and caring of it. And that's it. That's how you can co-parent on the Widgetable app. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.